Empirical, molecular formula and limiting reactant. Subtopic: Empirical formula, molecular formula, limiting reactant, theoretical yield. Subtopic 1: Empirical formula, the percent by mass of each element the compound contains. The sum of the mass percent of all the elements in a compound as represented by its chemical formula is equal to 100%. Empirical formula: the simplest possible whole number ratios of all the atoms in a compound. Subtopic 2: Molecular formula. Molecular formula, the formula which shows the exact number of atoms of each element in a molecule. It is the actual formula for a molecule. From molecular formula given, percentage mass can be calculated. Here are some examples. Subtopic 3: Limiting reactant. Limiting reactant, the reactant in a chemical reaction that limits the amount of product that can be formed. The reaction will stop when all of the limiting reactant is consumed. Excess reactant, the reactant in a chemical reaction that remains when a reaction stops when the limiting reactant is completely consumed. The excess reactant remains because there is nothing with which it can react. Here are some examples. Subtopic 4: Theoretical yield. The amount of product that would be formed if the reaction went to completion. It is based on the stoichiometry of the reaction and ideal conditions in which starting material is completely consumed, undesired side reactions do not occur, the reverse reaction does not occur, and there are no losses in the workup procedure. The theoretical yield is based on the moles of limiting reagent you started with. Actual yield. The real, experimentally measured amount of product that is obtained from a chemical reaction. Percent yield. Percent yield equal to actual yield, divide by theoretical yield, multiply by 100. Here are some examples.
Created using Powtoon.